Checking Beshi.
Leave me alone.
Let me do it for you.
Stop, Ja.
I've been watching you do makeup long enough to know how to blend in.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be creating a colorful eyeshadow look. And yeah, I created one the other day on Instagram. Oh my god, I haven't posted it. I should post it. But my point is that I was like, oh my god, this thing is nice. Like, and I don't like do a lot of makeup on myself like regularly. I have so many skin issues that I'm dealing with. But today, this eyeshadow has been on my mind. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment. It really does help my engagement and helps YouTube to know that you like my content. And we're almost at 1,000 views. I think I'm on 700 and something now. Yeah, so that's a lot. It's a lot. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Like, also, what else do I want to tell you people? I'm so sorry that I've been doing a lot of voice notes. Like, I haven't figured voiceovers rather. I haven't figured out how to talk and do makeup and keep it short. That's the problem, because I like to talk and I like to do makeup. So once I'm doing the two of them together, I take way more time than I should. I'm just explaining, talking, gisting, and it's a lot. So if you want to see longer videos, tell me. But for now, I'm keeping everything short, like at least below 10 minutes. So if you want to do, like, if you want longer videos, I'm here for it. Like, I'm that person. Like this one now, this intro is too long already.
Guys, okay, so I started by laying my brows using my brow gel. I just like used it to lay my brows before starting my eyeshadow. I didn't start with my brows like intentionally because I wanted to focus more on the eyeshadow. So what I did here was basically just put on some concealer, very thick concealer from Fairy Gold on my lids. It served as a base. So I basically just defined my brows and then also created a base for my eyeshadow. That's what I was doing here. So just make sure that the base is as smooth as possible and try and make it creaseless. That means you should not be opening your eyes too much. I mean, if you have hooded eyes, you won't have a problem, but if you don't, well, went in with my Juvia's Place palette, that brown shade there, and then just started tapping it to the outer, to the crease, like, yeah, just building myself a fake crease from outside to inside like that. And then when I was done, I topped it up with a little bit of pink from the same palette. Then I blended it, just like put the pink on top of the brown. Basically, it's just to create like a fading effect. I don't know how to explain it, but so after this I went in with the orange from my Tara palette. The orange basically helped to like blend it out, like you can see the difference between this eye now and the other eye. So I just went in with my orange to kind of like blend out what I had already done there, give it a very neat fading out effect. Now I went in with that Fairy Gold concealer again as my base, using it to cut my crease. Take your time at this point as much as possible. Take your time to get it right because it's very important for your eyeshadow to look perfect and professionally done. So I always use a very small brush, like a flat eyeshadow brush, to do this. And for me, I think the greatest problem is having your creases like the same thing for both creases. Like, it's very difficult to cut the same thing. Like, it's so difficult, but with practice you'll get better at it. So yeah, I've done for the second eye. I was just looking at both of them, trying to make them as equal as possible. Then I went in with a darker color. Can you see the contrast it creates? So directly on top of your crease with a small brush, smaller than the one I'm using, of course, you can go in with a darker color. It just creates a perfect crease. Now I went in with a shimmery color from my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I just tapped that into my eyes gradually, like both eyes. I'm trying to make sure that they are like of equal quantity. One is not more than the other. That's very important. Okay, so this is what I have right now. You can use any palette. It doesn't have to be the Juvia's Place, of course. Then this Tara palette again, I went in with like the orange that was there, mixed it in with a little bit of brown. Then then just placed it on this at the center of my lid now using a flat brush. I would later go in with a blending brush bar. Then after that, I went in with that same palette using the deep purple at the outer corner of my eyes, basically just to create a little bit of a smoky effect. I initially wanted to do a full cut crease, but I changed my mind and did this, which still looks really beautiful, by the way. Then this neon pigment, it's yellow, so I'm just using it to just define that cut crease again and just add some color to it, basically. Yeah, did it for both eyes already. Then went in with my eyeliner and made my eyeliner to be as small as.
So far I had to take a break to show you guys something special. So I have this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is basically an eyelash pack that was kind of named after me. It's from O Double Colors on Instagram. I'm going to put the link to her page in the description box. So basically she asked me, she was like, okay, that we should that she's working on something and she want me to be part of it. And then she just told me, okay, that I could suggest designs, select designs that she would use for her eyelash pack. And I did, and that's what bettered this. So the idea is you can see that, okay, there are different lengths and they're different they're just different lengths really and different thickness. So the idea is for this palette to be a go-to palette for every lady, as in I feel okay, this is for the days of I don't want to be extra at all, and then this is for the days of okay, I did a dramatic look like this and I don't want my lashes to overshadow my eyeshadow, so let's go for this. And then this one is for oh, okay, I have Owambe, let's slay. And then this one is for oh my god, this is Friday night party vibe. And then this one is for oh, I have a photo shoot and I want to new bang da da dang. And then you go for this. Honestly speaking, everything in this palette is a mood. It's a mood palette for me, and I think every one of you should have it. So if you want one, just message her. I'll drop her details below to buy one. All right, let's fix my lashes and go on.
I went ahead to fix my lashes. I love the way lashes make me feel so on fleek. Then I went on with my brows, and now I'm just going off so you guys can watch the rest of the tutorial while listening to good music. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. If you have any special requests, please feel free to ask me. Thank you guys so much for watching till this point. This is not it wasn't a full tutorial passe, but if you like to see my skin work routine for makeup, please let me know. All right guys, I'm talking too much again. Bye till next time. Don't forget to subscribe, please and please. Thank you very much, and share this video too. Bye.
You make my heart go tumba. Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm a too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami. Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm a too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami.
Every day when you wake up, see your face with no makeup. Baby, we will never break up. Space in my chest that you take up. Yeah. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba.
Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm a too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami. Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami.
You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba.
You make my heart go tumba. Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami. Fine girl coming to my yard. I'm too fine, too bad. Not tryna be friends like Konami. I don't play games like Konami.
Every day when you wake up, see your face with no makeup. Baby, we will never break up. Space in my chest that you take up. Yeah, yeah. You make my heart go tumba. You make my heart go tumba.